Here we have another integrals example problem, and we want to evaluate the following integral. So the first step for evaluating this integral is we want to simplify our expression. And so when we look at this integral, we know that we have x raised to a power for each of these three terms, which is going to be divided by x raised to a power in our denominator. So we can go ahead and simplify each of these three terms by dividing it by x raised to the third. So for our first term, we'll have x to the seventh. For our second term, we'll have just x. And for our third term, we're still going to have x in the denominator. So after simplifying our expression, it's a little bit easier and more clear as to which techniques we'll use to integrate. So we'll go ahead and integrate this example problem. And for our first integration technique that we'll use is we'll use x raised to a power plus 1 and then divided by the new power. And for our second technique, we'll use our logarithmic integration technique where 1 over x will be equal to the natural logarithm of x. So now we can go ahead and look at our integral and apply those two different techniques. The first technique we'll use for the first two terms, and the last technique we'll use for the third term. And then after simplifying a little bit more, we'll have our solution to this example problem.